packed up the tent. We're gonna ride the TED for a bit more, section 3. And see how that goes. Yesterday it went really good with 2 up. During some of the hard parts I hold on to the panniers and with both my hands on the side. But it worked out, so they didn't shake that much. The weather is a bit colder and cloudy, but it's okay. This night it rained a few times and I just took a swim over here. It was good. A bit cold, but good.
So what I really like being out on a camping trip in this period is that it stays light much longer than in other times. It's due now, and right now we don't have the pressure of finding a camping spot and driving more quickly, and we can just take the time because it stays light much longer. Yeah. So when we were farther up north, it stayed light until even 1 after midnight.
Yeah, maybe even later.
Yeah. So further down south we get right now how quicker it gets dark.
Yeah, and if you go farther up north, even the some parts of Scandinavia, apparently the sun doesn't even go down, and it just really shortly dips on the horizon and then goes up again during the night. It's really special.
Yeah. Those long days will be amazing, but the trade-off is that the winters over there are so long because it always stays dark during the days.
Oh man, yeah. Imagine that, having darkness the whole day every day for whole of winter. I think I would get depressed really fast.
No, thank you.
Yeah.
Right. We're at the end of the TED, section 3 of Sweden. It was pretty doable this time, although there was one uphill that was pretty soft riverbed kind of stuff, so it was pretty gnarly to ride up on. One advantage is I have a lot of weight on the back because I have a pillion. So we're going to revisit some memories by going to a shopping center in Charlottenberg. We were there last year, and I think we'll get some candy, get some stuff to eat. After that, we're probably going to find another shelter. We'll see you there. Tot zo.
Tot zo.
So we finally found a shelter again. We visited about 4 shelters before this one, which were all already taken, and we found this one and it was completely empty. Maybe partly because it's a paid one. It's in the Glaskogens Nature reservaat. Don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but because it's a nature reserve, they try to keep it well kept, and they have a few rules. You can't destroy the nature around, and you can't hunt or anything. Well, it's obviously we don't do that. They have a place for campfire and grilling, which is awesome, and they even have a little bit of firewood and more firewood and even more firewood. So Glaskogens Nature Reserve is actually a beautiful place. Has lots of really nice lakes, and it's protected pretty well from damage to nature, like I said. You should really visit it if you like the nature. But if you want to wild camp in a more remote place, this is not it. Last year we also camped in our tent near a place on another lake. But yeah, there were a lot of camper vans and people canoeing in the area, so you don't have the place to yourself. Like yesterday's spot, we really felt like we were in a really remote place. I didn't have a lot of company, which is great. So Emma's already setting up the tent, and I'm hauling stuff around. But yeah, beautiful place, like I said. If you don't mind the tourism too much, it's really cool. Getting quite late. As you can see, it's already getting a bit darker here in the southern part of Sweden. So we're going to head to bed and get a good night's sleep, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tot zo!